for anterior rhinoscope. Ballinger's swivel knife. Very good. Ballinger's swivel knife. It is used for what? How we do it? इसको engage करते हैं. This is used for removing the cartilaginous part of the nasal septum. Engage this thing ऐसे. Engage this way. So when you rotate, so this blade rotates on itself. You can by this way you can cut the posterior end of the septum, because what you can do is maximum you can visualize in the anterior. You cannot see the posterior end, right? So because of this swivel action of this knife, you can cut the posterior end. समझे ऐसा. This is Ballinger's swivel knife. Tilly's, not art. Tilly's version. This one. And removing foreign bones. Packing. That one. Hammer. Mallet. This is mallet. This is what? This is what? Tilling gloves. तो क्या करते हैं? क्यों? सिर पे? तो किस पे? Backside पे नहीं. So removing the spurs, nasal spurs, or removing a part of the maxillary crest. Okay, bony part only. ठीक है? This is a simple अभी पता है. क्या भी होता है? क्या है? Scalpel. This is what? Bard Parker handle, BP handle. Bard Parker handle रहता है. This is not a blade. ठीक है?
McEwen's
No. Freer's elevator. Freer's Ariostomy elevator. Welchham's forceps. For फ्रैक्चर nasal bone जो रहता है ना, उसको रिपोज करने के लिए ऐसे पकड़ के उसको रिपोज करा तो फ्रैक्चर nasal bones. Welchham's forceps. ऐसे कराएगा. सर्जरी में देखा है. This is street artery forceps. What do you think will come inside this? This is Babcock's forceps. देखा नहीं सर्जरी में कभी? This is Babcock's forceps. This is right angle retractor. ठीक है. This is tracheostomy. This and एक और similar this. ठीक है. Right. बस एक बार एक्स्ट्रा आ गया. This is just lux forceps. नहीं. Did you doing what? Remove the bony parts of septum. SMR use करते हैं. This is usually used for what? It is traumatic forceps. ये देखो और ये देखो. Basically this is atraumatic. इसका H देखो कैसे. Look at this H. Feel it. तो आपको समझेगा. Feel करो. Feel करो. कैसा है ये? Sketch कैसा है? तुम समझते हो? It has to be traumatic. This is used for removing the bony pieces. Lux forceps. This is Dennis Brown tonsil loading forceps. तो अलग है. इसमें box joint है. इसमें box joint है. Hip joint. Okay. आर्टरी में पापा. This is needle holder. Needle holder. इसमें again there is box joint. Needle holder. Fine. थ्रोट पे जाएगा. Quinsy forceps. Quinsy forceps. What is Quinsy? Quinsy क्या है? उसको पता ही नहीं है. Peritonsillar abscess. उसका second thing. This is for draining the peritonsillar abscess. This is the guard. तो इतना इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि ये फोर्स ये जो है ये सिर्फ इतना जाएगा, बाकी बिकॉज ऑफ द गार्ड और अंदर नहीं जाएगा. वर्ड तो दिस इज हाउ मच इज द लेंथ अंदर जाना चाहिए. व्हाई व्हाट लाइज इन द बेस ऑफ द टॉन्सिल. टॉन्सिल बेड में क्या रहता है? देयर इज सम बिग वेसल व्हिच and yes कौन सा आर्टरी है कितना बड़ा?
Carotid.
It lies नीचे in the tonsillar bed. That's all. आइस सर्जरी है कौन सा इंस्ट्रूमेंट है? एलिस फोर्सेप्स. एलिस को देखा नहीं आज तक सर्जरी में?
देखा है.
एलिस फोर्सेप्स.
Lax.
Lax. There is lux. This is lax. Different. Elis. That is elus.
Endoral.
नहीं एंडर इतना कान में जाएगा इतना बड़ा. इधर उसको देखो. This is Killian's long-bladed, self-retaining. This is self-retaining. Like put it. This is self-retaining. This is Killian's long-bladed, self-retaining nasal swell. ठीक है.
Old mouth gap.
Mouth में. अगली बार you should see how to put it. Timing. See, this both look similar, but they're not similar, right? If you open this thing, it might look similar sometimes, but they are not similar. Okay? This mouth के लिए, this is ear के लिए, this is Doyne's mouth gap. Doyne's. This is used for. I want this mouth gap. We have this mouth gap, no? We have this mouth. नहीं, एक यूज करेंगे. This is used for. इसमें क्या होता है? You press the tongue. So if you want any surgery to be performed, that is follow the mouth, like ranula or tongue type. तो ये यूज नहीं कर सकते. ये tongue को डिप्रेस करता है. But this thing ये दोनों दांत के बीच में आएगा तुम्हारा. वो दांत के बीच में आएगा रेटिनेटर. So we can use for surgery that involve the tongue or floor of mouth. इसके लिए यूज करते हैं. Straight artery forceps, or artery forceps. ये तीन है. Used for what? Tonsillectomy. This is also called as bayonet forceps. Bayonet shape.
Dissector and closure.
Tonsil dissector and anterior pillar.
Dissector, and this is for
Retraction.
Tooth forceps.
plain forceps. This is plain forceps, long blade. This tooth forceps. Used for again. इसमें लंबे क्यों है? कहाँ पे जानी चाहिए?
Leaves.
Tonsils,
Leaves.
nails.
Used for
Crushing and cutting of the pedicle.
crushing and cutting of the
Pedicle.
pedicle. कौन सा pedicle होता
The removal of
Inferior pole.
tonsil. Lower pole.
है? Lower pole के. ऐसे डालने का इसको अंदर. Insert this. Oil Davis. Rice ground tonsil forceps inside this, and then hold the tonsil. As you go, keep on reducing the length of the wire, loop of the wire, and then at a point when inferior पूरा tonsil निकल गया, inferior pole यहाँ पे है, ऐसे दबाने का जोर से, right? Just use tonsil.
Not
Negus
Negus
not
not.
attached.
Periosteal.
Select St. Clair Thompson's adenoid Accurate with guard.
Guard.
दो रहते हैं, एक guard ये बिना रहता है, with guard. This is the guard. समझे? ये difference क्या है?
Holes.
There are holes for ventilation. This is what? Direct lines. ठीक है. That is
Okay, stop.
what is this?
Suction aid.
What is this?
Fullest
This is not holes.
with suction aid.
Difference is that this is what it has holes for ventilation, and this does not have any hole for ventilation, but it has what markings. Markings क्यों चाहिए? ये क्या है लेकिन बात? इसमें एक स्कोप है रिजिड. इसमें मार्किंग क्यों चाहिए अपने?
कितना अंदर डाल रहा है?
There are various constrictions, है ना? लेकिन नहीं चाहिए. So that this is
CVC and fullers.
this is cuffed vortex. Vortex cuffed electric tube. Vortex uncuffed.
Obturator.
Obturator.
ये है क्या? Metallic.
Jackson structure.
उसमें क्या है? आउटर ट्यूब रहता है, इनर ट्यूब रहता है. आउटर ट्यूब, इनर ट्यूब, ऑब्चुरेटर और पायलट. अभी सब तुम पढ़ लेना इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स. अगेन वी सी नेक्स्ट टाइम डिटेल. ठीक है? These are the main instruments for exam. Right? एक बार सब इंस्ट्रूमेंट देख लो. Don't touch it. Just see them. At least now you have an idea. Instruments क्या क्या हो. Again read the instruments. और uses क्या है? Next time again I'll show it. बात. No. चलो. Give me your names, roll numbers. Give me roll numbers.